everyone, it's Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you the trick to get your Samsung phone into the recovery screen. So this is a newer phone without the Bixby button, only has the 3 buttons on the side. So if you have this version of the phone, what you want to do is swipe in so we can see the power options. So let's swipe in, then go to the top right, go to power, and we want to power off our phone completely, not restart it, power it off. So when we go to the power off option, our phone will completely turn off now. And the key is you want to plug in a USB cord into your PC or your laptop. And then with this USB-C end, plug it into your phone. So make sure you have a computer. Plug this in and let your phone charge for like 5 to 10 seconds. And we can see the charging symbol now. Then we can go to the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Press and hold these down. Now it's going to launch into the recovery screen. When we see Samsung, we can let go. So we can let go now, and it should pop open the recovery screen. And here are the traditional options you may have remembered. So for some reason, it takes an extra step to get to this recovery screen. You can't just do it on the go. So if you have a computer and a USB cable around, that is required now, and then we can use the volume down button and we can go to like factory reset or whatever we're trying to do. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.